Okay, so year one, what we're going to do today is a little bit of animation. Animation is when you take two pictures, like the two pictures we've got here, and we're going to put them together and make it look, if you see how I click from one to the other, like the cat is walking. First thing we've got to do is press this middle button so he only goes left or right. And the script we're going to use is quite easy, we've done this before. So we've got when flag clicked, first crocodile. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in here a weight, so we'll put that to one side, go to the blue, and I'm going to get move 10 paces if on edge bounce, just like we've done before. And this one I'm going to put 0.2, so full stop 2, and put that together with these. So if you look, 10, wait 1 second if on edge bounce, and we're going to put all this in the middle of the crocodile. Now when I press play, can you see that he's moving across, but his legs aren't moving? Okay, so he's successfully moving from one side to the other, but we're not seeing any animation, so all we're seeing is movement. So what I have to put in here is go to looks and switch costume or next costume. So I'm going to put a next costume in there. Now let's try that again. Now can you see that he's walking? It's going from one costume to another and it's making him look like he can walk. Let's make it a bit more interesting by choosing the background. Click on the stage, go to backgrounds, import. We'll do outdoors, Berkeley mural. There we go. So he's walking. So let's put him down so he's on the street. And you can see him walking across the street. Alright, let's stop that now. And let's find something else that we can get to animate. So what I want to do is go into the middle button. And I'm going to choose a person this time. Now if you notice, person and Julie has got 5 animations. So I'm going to put Anne Julie 1 in. And we're going to put her down here, make her a little bit smaller. Now, and this is the secret. We're going to come not to this one again. We're not putting in any more sprites, but we're going to go to costumes. And then we're going to go import. And then I'm going to import all her other costumes. So import. Get the next one. Import. Get the next one. And import. And get the next one. Okay, go back to scripts. Now we don't need to move because she's not walking, she's more dancing. But do you remember the trick? If you grab the script in the corner and you pull it down until you get the square, can you see the square? And then let go, you will have copied the script across. Now what we don't need is the move 10 steps, so I'm going to take that out of the way, but I'm going to leave the other code in there. So all I did was take off the move 10 steps. So now if we put her down here in this corner and I press the green flag, can you see how the animation works? So I've got 2 costumes up here going left to right, and this picture down here has got 5 costumes. That's why we're using the next costume and not costume 1, costume 2. 5 costumes, and it's slowly moving across as it changes costume. And that's how we animate in Scratch. Now what I'd like you to do is do these 2, and then I want you to try as many as you can. Remember, it's not lots of sprites, so don't get the extra costumes here. You have to get the costumes in here, under costumes and import. Okay, have fun with that.